Yeah, get Gabe to do that. Hey, Gabe.
You gotta also do all the arm movements.
You gotta tell him, you gotta Gabe! Come. You gotta use your arm.
Later, he can do it against the white background. Okay, you wanna do parents don't understand? With the arm. Alright?
Yeah.
Over here. Against the white against the white background.
And what is this?
Alright.
Against the white background, right there.
You know, and don't forget
Yeah, you gotta do it right. We're gonna watch it on TV later.
Moving closer. Moving to the right, moving this way a little bit. To my right.
Okay. Put it over here, Dad.
Okay, you got it ready?
Right under the refrigerator. Yeah, that's good. Right there. That's cool. Right there. Okay. Alright. Gabe is gonna go at it.
You gotta get up, Gabe.
Alright, you gotta bug out.
This is a standing performance.
Okay. Move over this way a little bit. No, that's too much. Too much. This way. This way a little bit. Okay, right there. You're perfect. Go ahead. You can start.
Okay, action.
Action, camera.
Go.
Boop, Gabe doing parents don't understand. Go.
Okay, here's the situation. My parents went away on a week's vacation and they left the keys to the brand new Porsche. Would they mind? Well, of course not. I'd take it for a little spin and maybe show it off to a couple of friends. I'd just cruise around the neighborhood. Should I? Yeah, of course I should. Pay attention, he's thinking I plot. Pulled him to the corner at the end of my block. So this beautiful girl I'm walking. I picked up my phone, called to check that I was talking. You should have seen this girl's violently delicious. I honked my horn to say get her attention. She said, was that for me? I said, yeah. She said, why? I said, come and take a ride with her little guy. She said, how do I know that you're not sick? You could be some strange lunatic. I said, come on, sis. My name is a prince. Besides, we're a lunatic. Have a Porsche like this? She agreed we were on our way. She was looking very fine, so as I'ma say, well, we got some down. We looked to the driveway on the 2 Big Macs, 2 large bicycles. She kicked the shoes off onto the floor. She said, speed, smash me out. She put her hand on my knee, put my foot on the gas. We almost got whiplash. We took off so fast. She was moving her hand up to my thigh, and that's why I noticed that police car. To make a long story short, I was scared as hell. I was like, I don't have a license, but I drive very well, officer. I almost had a heart attack later that day. Found a girl I was dating was a 12-year-old runaway. Got another ticket. The car was compounded. Nowhere avoid being grounded. My mom and dad had to come for vacation. I said, Mom, Dad, how was the trip? I got going on to plead my case, but my dad just shoved me in the car with my face. It was a tough ride home. I don't know how I would survive. They take turns. One will beat me while the other was driving. I can't believe it. I just made a mistake. Well, parents are the same, no matter what time or place. They're taking the kids all across the land. Take it from me. Parents just don't understand.
All right. Yay! Oh, take a bow. Take a bow.
And that was Mr. Pagan. Mr. Gabe Pagan. With his, as you can see, that was Mr. Gabe Pagan.
As you can see.
And his rendition of Parents Don't Understand. We're gonna watch this later.
Yeah.
What a diss.
This is gonna be funny though.
Not as funny as 10 years from now. When we show it to your girlfriend. Look at little Gabe. Little Gabe.
You got anything to say now? How about Adam? You want to do a rap? What do you want to do?
Want to do anything for the camera?
Yeah, you want to sing? No, he can sing his favorite song.
Sing your favorite song.